Hello friends, this video on gravitation part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos from part 1 to 16 before going ahead with part 17. Let us have a look to the problem 1. The problem says, given the following data, g is equal to 9.81 meter per second square. Radius of the earth is equal to 6.37 into 10 to the power 6. It is 10 to the power 6 meters. The distance to the moon r is equal to 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meters. And the time period of the moon's revolution is 27.3 days. Obtain the mass of the earth me in two different ways. This e is a subscript. So we are given the value of g, re, and r, that is the distance from the moon, and also the time period of the moon's revolution. So we have to calculate the value of mass of the earth. So let us start. We know that the acceleration due to gravity g is equal to gme divided by re square, right? So we can say that me is equal to g into re square divided by capital G. Now the value of g is given as 9.81. Re is given as 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. And capital G is given as 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now, if you calculate this value, it comes out to be 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kgs. So, this is the mass of the earth. So, this is the value for mass of the earth. Now, the question says we have to calculate it in two different ways. So, this was the first way which we adopted. Now, let us look at a second way. In the second way, we will use Kepler's law. According to Kepler's law, we know that t square is equal to 4 pi square divided by gme into r cube, right? This is what we studied from Kepler's law, Kepler's third law. So from this equation, we can say me is equal to 4 pi square r cube divided by gt square. So in this also, we know the value of r, we know the value of g and capital T. So we will put the values here. That is 4 into pi is equal to 3.14 into r is nothing but 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 whole cube. This divided by g is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Me, that is mass of the earth, is nothing but, mass of the earth is something which we are evaluating, right? So it is t square. So t is 27.3 days. So 27.3 into 20 into 60 into 60. So this is in seconds. So this square. Now you calculate this value. The mass of the earth comes out to be 6.02 into 10 to the power 24 kgs. If you see, both the values are almost very near to each other. The difference in these two values arises because here we are dealing with very long numbers. So they have been rounded off to some places. That is why there is a minor difference in the values which we obtained by both the methods. So this is how we'll calculate. Just to make a note of this point, in this case, RE is nothing but radius of the earth. But in this case, what is R? This R is the radius for the circular path. That means this radius would mean the distance between earth and the moon. Because the circular path means the circular path which the moon adopts. That means it would mean the distance between moon and the earth. So here R is the distance to the moon and here RE is nothing but the radius of the earth. Now we'll go ahead and look at some other problems. Let us have a look at the problem 3. It says the planet Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Phobos has a period of 7 hours 39 minutes and an orbital radius of 9.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometers. Calculate the mass of Mars. So Mars has two moons. So one of the moons has a period of 7 hours and 39 minutes and an orbital radius of 9.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometers. So we have to calculate the mass of Mars. So how do we do that? So in this question, let us first look at the first part, where we have to calculate the mass of the Mars. Now from Kepler's third law, we know that T square is equal to 4 pi square divided by G into capital M. Since we are dealing with Mars, so we use the subscript M, that is mass of the Mars, into R cube. So from this, we can say mass is equal to 4 pi square by G into R cube divided by T square. So now let us put the values. 4 into 3.14 whole square into value of R is given as 9.4. This is the orbital radius. So 9.4 into 10 to the power 3. Now if you want to convert it into meters, so again you multiply with 10 to the power 3. Divided by G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 and T is 7 hours 39 minutes. So convert this into seconds. So you will get, let us convert it here, time is equal to 7 into 60 plus 39. So that will be equal to 459 minutes. So this will be the time period. So here T square would be 459 into 60 whole square. So this value comes out to be 6.48 into 10 to the power 23 kgs. So this is the mass of Mars. Now let us look at the second part. In second part, the question says, assume that Earth and Mars move in circular orbits around the Sun, with the Martian orbit being 1.52 times the orbital radius of the Earth. What is the length of the Martian year in days? Martian orbit means the orbit of Mars. Similarly, Martian year means the year it takes for Mars. So in the second case, again we'll apply Kepler's third law, which says that T square is proportional to R cube. Right? So we will say that time period for Mars square divided by time period for Earth square is equal to radius for Mars cube divided by radius of Earth cube. We can say this. So from here I can say Tm square is equal to Rm by Re whole cube into Te square. Now in this, the question Rm by Re is given as 1.52. So this is 1.52 whole cube into time period for Earth, that is Te, is 365 days. So this is 365. Now if you calculate this, you would get Tm is root over 1.52 whole cube into 365, which comes out to be 684 days. So this is the value of the time period or the length of the Martian year in days. Right? So we did nothing, we simply used Kepler's third law and we have put the values in place. Other than that, we have not used any trick to solve the problem. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.